Today in this video, we will learn how raisins are made. Also, we will tell you that the grapes we buy from the market cannot be used to make raisins. Even if raisins are made from these grapes, the quality will not be good. Raisins are actually made from special types of grapes. You might not know how raisins are made, which is why today we will show you the complete process of making raisins. But after seeing how grapes are turned into raisins, you will be surprised that raisins are prepared this way. Before moving forward, let us tell you that a lot of effort went into making this video, and it will take just 1 second for you to like it. Let's begin. To make raisins, first, special types of grapes are cultivated in vineyards. When all the grapes on the vine ripen properly, it is time for harvesting. Then, using scissors, the grape bunches are cut one by one. This work is usually done by the farmers themselves. After all the grapes are harvested, they are collected in crates, then loaded onto vehicles and sent for the next process. At the next stage, the crates full of grapes are washed thoroughly in water mixed with potassium carbonate and ethyl oleate. This process removes all bacteria present on the grapes. It also ensures that the color of the grapes does not spoil after drying. After washing, the grapes are taken to ventilated rooms with mesh racks. The grape bunches are spread on the racks so that they dry quickly and turn into raisins. Direct sunlight on the grapes can reduce the quality of raisins, so potassium carbonate and oil are sprayed on them occasionally to maintain the color. After about 10 days, the grapes dry completely. When the grapes are ready for further processing, the mesh rooms are covered with plastic sheets to keep the air inside. Small pits are made in the room at different spots, coal is placed in them, sulfur powder is sprinkled, and it is set on fire. The sulfur smoke stays on the grapes all night. This helps the grapes dry faster and improves their color. The next morning, the plastic is removed, and the grapes are allowed to dry for another 3 to 4 days. Once the grapes are fully dried, they are packed in crates and sent by vehicles to the raisin factory. At the factory, the raisins are washed again. They are placed in a special tank and sent forward using a conveyor belt. Washing removes dirt, dust, and chemicals from the raisins. Then they are dried in rotating dryers and packed back into crates. These crates are then placed in sunlight for a while. To remove small debris in the raisins, a vibrating machine is used. This machine shakes and separates all the waste from the raisins. The raisins then go through another machine where the stems are removed. Finally, the raisins are sorted. At this stage, damaged and small raisins are separated, while good, large raisins are collected to be sold in the market at a better price.